There you go.
Oh, you're kidding.
Yeah, g'day. Yeah, g'day. Yeah, g'day. Yeah, g'day. Oh, beauty. Ew.
Morning.
Well, this morning we were going to get up at 6 and go for a surf, but no waves again. So now we're getting coffee or I'm getting a water. That's huge. Then we're going to go explore and stuff. Then we'll go in the studio and do some fuck around in the studio. How good? How's your first flight going, buddy?
I'm really scared.
Where is it? Where is it? So the bird's out here attacking my drone. I don't know where he's gone, but oh, there he is. Whoa!
I'm gonna win.
Wait, Harry, what were you just trying to show me?
My awesome, super cool car, mate.
Get it going?
Do you want to see it?
Yeah.
Costume. It's free.
You nailed that one.
I've been practicing for like 5 years.
They're getting heaps better.
Dude, wait until you see me next week.
I thought my car was white until I put it next to this thing. This is Harry, this is Richard.
Hang on, I'm on camera. You're vlogging.
All he does is... How's it going, business edition, Harry?
Hard.
So Harry, what kind of photos do you want today, mate?
Well, I was thinking of like a mug shot, you know? Just get that real dark, get these bad boys in there, you know? Sleep deprived, just don't eat healthy, and, you know, would love to get what my face actually looks like just before death.
Well, this is definitely the most elaborate setup. I've got backlight there, like there and there, just overhead, so hopefully the background will be black. Have some dramatic shadows in his face, show those beautiful sleepless eyelids, while the model just cools down.
Top.
Got a few goodies. Well, we just finished up mucking around with the little setup in the background. It was fun. I haven't really learnt too much. YouTube will probably teach me the rest, hopefully. Well, I picked up Corey all the way from 3 houses down, and we're gonna go down to Kingy to see Lime Cordial.
Cheers, mate.
Oh yeah. Kevin!
Uncle Brandon!
Kevin! So much better now.
Oh, my ass hurts from that flight, eh?
Well, you look skinny.
Hot up here.
Yeah, you're not gonna need them or that anymore. Yeah, you overpacked.
Much more good.